Determining the numerical value of algebraic expressions by substitution. If x equals 1, y equals 3, and a equals 4, find the value of 5x minus y, the whole to the power of a. Solution. We substitute the given values of the variables in the expression. 5 times 1 minus 3, the whole to the power of 4. Recall the order of operations with numbers. We perform multiplication first, followed by subtraction. Multiplying 5 by 1 gives us 5. We subtract 3 from 5. So the expression now simplifies to 2 to the power of 4. We expand the expression. We get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, the numerical value of this expression is 16.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.